Does your car vibrate annoyingly when you're at a stoplight or parked? In this video, we'll analyze the main causes of car vibrations when idling. We'll go over the most common factors, how to diagnose them, and what solutions you can apply to keep your car running smoothly. I'll also share some practical tips to prevent this issue from happening again. When a car vibrates while stationary, it usually means something is unbalanced or worn out. These vibrations can often be felt in the steering wheel, seats, or even the vehicle's floor, potentially signaling problems with critical components. Causes of the problem. 1. Worn or damaged engine mounts. Engine mounts, made of rubber and metal, absorb engine vibrations. Over time, they can wear out or break, allowing vibrations to transfer to the car's body. 2. Ignition system issues. Worn-out spark plugs, faulty ignition coils, or damaged spark plug wires can cause misfires, leading to an uneven engine operation and noticeable vibrations. 3. Dirty fuel system. A clogged fuel injector or a blocked fuel filter can prevent the engine from receiving the correct amount of fuel, causing rough idling and vibrations. 4. Worn or loose accessory belt. A loose or damaged belt can create an imbalance in engine components, leading to noticeable vibrations. 5. Exhaust system problems. A broken exhaust hanger or a clogged catalytic converter can cause vibrations, especially when the car is at a standstill. Diagnosis. 1. Visual inspection. Check the engine mounts and exhaust system for visible wear or damage. 2. Inspect spark plugs and ignition system. Remove the spark plugs and check for wear or carbon buildup. Also, inspect the ignition coils and spark plug wires for faults. 3. Analyze the fuel system. Listen for an irregular idle sound, which may indicate issues with the fuel injectors or fuel filter. 4. Belt system inspection. Examine the accessory belt's condition and tension. A worn-out or loose belt may be the cause of vibrations. 5. Use diagnostic tools. Connect an OBD2 scanner to check for engine or exhaust system error codes. Solutions. 1. Replace worn engine mounts. If the engine mounts are damaged, replace them with compatible new ones. 2. Change spark plugs and ignition components. Replace old spark plugs and, if necessary, faulty ignition coils or spark plug wires. 3. Clean the fuel system. Use a fuel injector cleaner or take the car to a professional service for a deep cleaning. 4. Adjust or replace the accessory belt. If the belt is worn out, replace it. If it's loose, adjust its tension according to the manufacturer's specifications. 5. Repair the exhaust system. Replace broken exhaust hangers or fix obstructions in the system to ensure proper gas flow. Additional tips. 1. Regular maintenance. Schedule periodic inspections to detect issues before they worsen. 2. Use high-quality fuel. This helps keep the fuel system clean and prevents injector buildup. 3. Drive carefully. Avoid harsh impacts or driving on extremely rough terrain, which can damage engine mounts or the exhaust system. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications to stay updated on more car care and repair content. Drop your questions or experiences in the comments, and I'll be happy to help.